Hello everyone, Microsoft has released Coreutils for Windows 11, bringing native versions of the popular Linux command line tools to the operating system. For years, switching between Windows and Linux often meant relearning commands or relying on compatibility layers, scripts, and workarounds. Even experienced developers will run into friction when commands behave differently across platforms. Microsoft's new Coreutils package aims to remove the problem by bringing familiar Linux-style tools directly into the operating system. Windows 11 already includes several Linux-inspired command line tools, including sudo, tar, OpenSSH, and the Windows Package Manager. Also, developers can run Linux commands through the Windows subsystem for Linux. However, many of the core commands developers use daily on Linux systems have remained unavailable natively on Windows. It is important to note that Coreutils for Windows 11 is built from the Utils open source project, a cross-platform implementation of Coreutils in Rust. These are Linux-like command line utilities that run natively on Windows 11. Now, in order to access these commands, we need to install the tool. And for that, we need to install Coreutils on Windows 11. And to do that, I'm just going to open the terminal. And I'm going to open it as an administrator. And then we need to type this winget command. And then press enter. Click yes. Now I'm going to clear the screen. Actually, we need to restart command prompt. And I'm going to open it again. And now you should have access to all the Linux-style command tools. It is important to note that this works on Command Prompt and PowerShell, but on version 7.4 and later. You cannot use this on the classic version of PowerShell. And from here, we can just type the Linux-style commands. For example, the ls command. We can also create directories. We can see it right here. We can use the find command. We can also use the touch command to create a file. And we can delete that file. Now, Microsoft notes that several commands share names with built-ins in Command Prompt and PowerShell. Whether Coreutils version runs depends on the shell, the path order, and for PowerShell, the alias table. The company also notes some caveats using this tool, and some of the tools were intentionally dropped because they relied on other concepts that could actually break Windows scripts, or they're just not useful on Windows 11. Now, I have also found this support page from Microsoft that lists all the commands that you can use with the Coreutils installed on your computer. You can use this link to go to the page. However, I will also leave the link on the page where I talk all about the details about the Coreutils for Windows 11. And that's it, but it's all there is to it. Let me know if you plan to use Coreutils to access Linux-style commands on Windows 11. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.